On the 18th of May, we're hosting our free online trading bootcamp. That's 9 live events totaling 8 hours of exciting live trading education, giving expert guidance to help you to trade and invest more effectively. Now, you're going to be able to access these events on any device and all from the comfort of your own home. With the US stock market falling 20% last year, success is going to require a more active and disciplined approach that can make money from both rising and falling prices in any asset class. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, our online trading bootcamp is going to provide you with a comprehensive set of web classes, including trading strategy, market analysis, and live trading on Forex, indices, commodities, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and you know what? It's free to attend, and you can attend as many or as few of these exclusive Trendsignal web classes as you like. You can even ask questions to our panel of market professionals as they share their experience and their trading secrets. So register your details and reserve your free place at this special live event now.